So 2 years ago, my life changed. I was COO at a high-flying startup in Silicon Valley.
I always loved spending time outside, but I wasn't paying attention that much to the gardens and nature around me.
Then my daughter came into the world, and my path changed course. What beauty and warmth will she experience when she grows up? Would my daughter spend her days scrolling through artificial friends instead of chasing sunlight or the sound of buzzing bees? So I just became obsessed with how we can make spending time outside more appealing. Every corner of the world could bloom with a beauty that sparks wonder.
But when I tried to design a backyard, like just for our family, we talked to a bunch of landscape designers and they all told us it would take 2 years and hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that just seemed totally impossible for us.
So I decided to hack together some software to generate designs myself. I built a simple tool and it worked at a fraction of the cost. It ended up only costing us $20,000.
The way Eden works is remarkably like a traditional landscape design firm. Customers come in, they put in their address on our website, and we pull in and analyze all this different data about their lot, their location, their local microclimate. Then they answer a couple questions about what they want, what styles they like, and we generate them a garden design. Then we'll manage everything in the install. So we'll manage buying all of the plants, all of the materials that are needed. We'll hire the contractors and oversee the project. And so from the customer's perspective, they basically can come to a website, spend a few minutes telling the AI what they want, click buy, and the whole thing will be installed in a few weeks. When I look ahead at what it's going to take to pull this off, we need the builders who share this hope for a greener future. This touching grass is the obvious cultural tide of our time. We can bring paradise closer to home, one yard, one seed at a time, until our children grow up in a world that's just as breathtaking as any ancient wonder or futuristic dream.